So Kat, your advice to young researchers, what would you say?
Basically, there are lots of people out there who still follow these old outdated stereotypes, and who will say things like, oh, girls, they don't belong in science, they don't know how to do this, they don't belong here. And it's absolutely not true, and you can show them otherwise. We had an old professor in one of my classes in my undergrad, in a class called theoretical mechanics, which was quite dry if you ask me, but some people might find it really interesting. And there were 2 of us girls and 4 guys in it, and every time one of us girls had to do some maths on the blackboard or something, the professor would make some snarky comments. And in the end, I worked really hard, and I, along with one of the other guys, we got the best grade at the end of that class. And at that point, the professor didn't really know what to say anymore. So just show them what you're capable of, because you know what that is and they don't. So you just need to show it to them and prove them wrong.
Excellent, thank you. So I was just thinking about how I'm going to summarize this later. I'll probably miss out that particular word, but absolutely show people what you're made of, and don't let other people decide what you're able to do, because actually you're all going to be capable of really fantastic things. Now we are at the end of the time, unless anyone's got a burning question they would like to ask. I can't see one typed into the chat box, so I think all that remains is to say an enormous thank you to all the panelists. Thank you so much for coming. And for schools, through IRIS is one of the ways that you can reach out. So if you do want to reach out to any of these panelists here, do drop IRIS an email, and we're happy to pass messages on and things like that, or questions. But otherwise, just remains to say an enormous thank you to all the panelists, and thank you very much to the students and staff who've come along. Thanks very much.